So, is the RTX 3060 dead in 2026? The most popular GPU according to the Steam hardware survey and still now in 2026? It has been nearly 5 years since its release. How does it hold up today, in 2026? So, what makes the RTX 3060 special that it is only 60 series RTX card to have 12 gigabytes of VRAM, while even the RTX 4060 and even 5060 has only 8 gigabytes of VRAM, and the 3060 even has wider memory bus 192 bits compared to 128 bits of both the RTX 4060 and 5060. But what makes these cards faster is actually their clock speeds. And L2 cache, the RTX 3060 only is 3 megabytes of L2 cache, while the 4060 has 24 and 5060 has 32. But here's the deal. The RTX 3060 actually has 3,584 CUDA cores, which is more than the 4060, which has 3,072 CUDA cores. Even with all that, it is 10 to 15% slower than the 4060. But if you decide to overclock the 3060, you can earn anywhere from 6 to 13% boost, which can put the card in line with the 4060. Yeah, nvidia really messed up. As for games and AI, in 2026, it can play most modern games at 1080p max to high settings at 60 plus FPS, and in 1440p, you gotta set DLSS to balanced and turn the settings to medium to achieve a 60 plus. Experience. And as of AI, it can actually load larger models and run them faster than even the 5060, as those cards run out of VRAM. So that was it for the video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe. Check out this video, you'll like it.